Welcome to your ultimate guide on setting up IPTV Smarters Pro, the best app for streaming IPTV content. With IPTV Smarters Pro, you can enjoy live TV, movies, and series all in one place. First, download the app. Head to your app store and search for IPTV Smarters Pro, or visit the link in the pinned comment. It's that simple. Once downloaded, open the app and select Log in with your IPTV provider. It's essential to have your login credentials ready.
Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, bring something like a mobile. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, bring something like a mobile. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Next, you'll enter the username and password provided by your IPTV service. If you don't have an IPTV service yet, check out 2TV Store. They offer the best IPTV packages. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main interface. Here, you can customize your viewing experience by navigating to Settings. Adjust the player settings to Native for optimal performance, which enhances playback quality for most streams. Now let's explore how to add custom playlists. Click on Add Playlist, where you can enter your M3U or JSON playlist URL. If you're new to this, simply follow the prompts, and your content will begin to load.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night. Under street lamp, red face flame by the light. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day.
One common mistake is forgetting to save changes, so always double-check before exiting this section. Finally, explore the app features, including EPG Electronic Program Guide, for an organized viewing schedule. Remember, to enhance your experience, make sure your internet connection is stable. For quality streaming, A minimum speed of 10 megabits per second is recommended. So whether you're watching on your phone or Fire Stick, you're set for an amazing viewing experience. In conclusion, if you want a seamless IPTV experience, make sure to check out 2TV Store. They have outstanding IPTV services that can elevate your streaming to the next level. Happy watching!